go. Guys, I'm super stoked. My dad comes in today and he should be able to help me figure out what the heck is wrong with this SSR70. Pretty sure it's the shift star, just from my expert opinion. So basically when my dad got here, he was able to help us figure out what was wrong with the bike, right? Yeah. So what was wrong with the bike?
Vroom vroom broken.
Vroom vroom's broken, yeah. Yeah. I mean, he's not wrong. So check it out. Basically, this arm right here goes up and connects. It seemed as if this was kind of jammed between this other spring arm right here. This little star looking thing, and there's like little teeth on the back of this that this arm catches, so every time you shift gears, this is essentially pulling like that. That's changing gears, and pushing would be going back up. So right now it should be in neutral, spinning freely. This main gear selector shaft was like pulled out a little bit. What I mean by that is like that. So if you notice how this arm is going in and out, kind of wobbling around, to my knowledge it should be pushed all the way back. Film what? This video for the tubers. It's the old man. The old man in the shop. The old dust ball. Good to go. That didn't sound great. Did you hear that? Turn your choke off. Think it will?
No. I'm just trying to get my hopes up. Good? Get it up. Got spark? Spark. Woohoo! Fire that sucker up.
Dude, if this thing runs, if I get it running.
This is it right here. It's gonna fire up.
You think so?
Oh yeah.
Nah.
Oh yeah. I mean, you don't have your shifter on, so.
I'm not going anywhere. Gas. Okay. Are you standing back?
Your key on?
Ready to blow up?
It's gonna be loud.
Choke. I'm gonna assume that that's on. Whoa! Dude, that was it. What the heck? What?
Turn the choke off.
Oh. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Ah! Dude, this thing's gonna start. No way. That's running. That's running. I'm counting it. Let's get that old man strength.
No, I just left the gas completely off.